is Saturday and it is YouTube fight night day. It's super fight day. It's like afternoon. It's like 12:30 p.m. So we are about to watch the Jake versus Deji fight is right now, and then the Logan versus KSI fight is afterwards. To be honest with you, Team Paul, a little controversial, but I know, Moose, I feel the same way.
Yo, this is so intense. This is so legit.
Oh my god. Round one just finished, and this is a good fight. Like, this is honestly a good fight. I thought Deji was gonna get rocked, but Jake is bleeding from his face, and it's just like, it's a situation. Guys, how many tattoos do we think Jake Paul got so he could look cool in the ring? Let's be honest though. I think Jake just won. What? I think Jake just won.
Well, a lot of respect to Deji though.
Wait, that was really good. Honestly, I thought Deji was gonna super die, and he did good. Props to both of them. Yo, honestly, guys, I've sparred for like 60 seconds in my boxing class, and I have never been more exhausted in my entire life. So props to them for going 5 rounds. I think they went 5 rounds. That is nutso. So props to both of them.
Main fight number 3, JP versus Moose. How you doing, Moose? How you doing? Break out of it. Break out of it, Moose. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Yo, tell me why I'm nervous. Like, I'm actually so nervy for these people. Like, don't you feel stressed? I feel so stressed. Zoe, are you stressed? I'm so stressed. Guys, KSI looks crazy.
Here we go.
He got them crazy eyes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's starting. It's starting. I'm so stressed.
Oh, they're both going
They're
hard.
so good. They're both good.
Okay.
Yo, Logan's arms are like go-go gadget arms. Like, they're like, they're so hard. Man, they throw fast and hard. Holy crap.
Uh-oh, Logan's getting too cocky.
Yeah, but KSI
Yeah, he's getting cocky.
Uh-oh.
There's a lot more hugging in boxing than I thought there would be. That was an almost
Here we go,
death.
finish it.
So much violence.
Okay, end it here. Come on, no round 6. No
Round
way.
6, 40 seconds left.
Oh, he's done.
Man, guys, it's not looking good for Logan. Like, he was super winning, but now he's super maybe not winning. Oh my god. Logan is dying.
This is
That's what they shout to.
What?
We gotta see the decision.
Wait.
He won the end. No way.
After the decision, the refs have to make a decision. Oh my gosh, they're making the decision right now. I'm so stressed. Logan super did not win those last couple rounds.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds of action, we go to the scorecard. Referee Gareth Morris scores it 58-57. Next judge has it even at 57-57. The third judge has it 57-57. It is a majority draw.
We knew it. That's the best option.
Kidding me? Yo, this has to be staged. This has to be fake. All the stress for nothing. Oh my gosh. Okay, hi guys. It is Sunday and I am picking up some DIY supplies for today's filming. I look like hot potato trash, but oh my gosh, this is gonna be like an official announcement coming, I think, this week, but I was here and it's here and there's a whole bunch of stuff that's sold out and I'm so excited. And also, this is the first time that I'm seeing the fabric paint that is like not been in stores yet. Look how cute it all looks. Also guys, if you get the fabric paint, you have to check out all the names because I literally named every single one. What It Do, that's like a song that I love. Don't Be Jelly, Moosey Bear, this one is Skipping Rocks, Twilight, Cherry Bomb, Lemon Slice, oh my gosh, Ice Queen. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. These ones, oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Hi guys, and happy Tuesday. Man, my lashes be looking ratchet is what I meant to say. So I am having a no makeup day because I am headed to the dermatologist right now. I can't remember exactly how much I have told you guys about my skin journey. I was originally planning to not do a video on my skin until my skin was like perfect and clear, but like realistically, is that gonna happen? I mean, like, hopefully yes, but honestly it could be a really long time. So I figured that I would start my skin journey documentation now. It's been March, April, May, June, July, August. It's been 5 months of being on the skin journey, trying different things, prescription from my dermatologist and organic stuff. I basically just wanted to recap you guys on things that have worked and have not worked because I had a really unfortunate thing happen with my last prescription. So I'm headed to the dermatologist right now. I literally have an eyelash like flapping in the AC right now. It's like So I am headed there right now because the last stuff that they gave me that I was using for 3 months destroyed my skin. Like literally destroyed my skin. And I love my dermatologist. Like she is literally so sweet. It's not her fault. It's just because skin is so different and reacts so differently to every single product. So obviously that product didn't work for me. So anyways, I am going to head there, tell her what happened, and see what she kind of tells me as a next step. Let's hit this LA traffic. These glasses look like a giant bug. I am 100% aware. I also just realized that I haven't really talked to you guys much about my skin because honestly, it's never been an issue until now, being 25 years old, which I love. I never really had acne in high school aside from like the random, you know, like giant hormonal pimple that you would sometimes get. Now, not so lucky. And I think honestly the cause to this whole thing starting was having that stupid little birth control stick in my arm that you guys saw me got removed maybe like 2, 3, wow, actually how long ago was that?
That's a slippery little guy.
You should have named him.
Can I cut the umbilical cord?
Is it hard to get out because I've got giant muscles? Is that the problem?
Yes, totally.
Anyways, when that got cut out of my arm, that was when I was like, okay, Operation Fix My Face. That was kind of the leading cause to getting acne and getting cystic breakouts. For the most part, my problem areas for my entire life have been my chin when I'm on my period or about to be on my period. And I never really struggled with like major breakouts on my forehead, which is where most of my acne is now, which is just like super awesome because that's like the biggest spot of your face. And I love that it's covered in pimples. It's like my favorite thing ever. So pretty sure that little evil Satan stick that was in my arm, that old birth control, is kind of what caused this whole thing. So thank you, love being a girl, favorite thing ever. Actually, just kidding, girl power forever. Wow, great angle. Okay, let's fix my face, yay. Ugh, look at all the scarring, you can see it, especially in this lighting. Oh, it's not cute. But it covers up with makeup, which has been really good. This is just not a good, this is not a good angle. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Oh, hello. Am I supposed to throw this? Just a giant snout in the corner of the screen. Because I have important things to talk about. Yes! Hi guys, so I am home now, and here is the verdict of the dermatologist appointment. The last prescription that I was on was, I can't even pronounce it. I'm gonna show you guys the bottle when I go upstairs to show you everything that I have been using and have tried. Anyway, it's basically retinol, and that is, okay. We'll see how long Moose lets me ignore him for. So basically retinol is one of the first things that dermatologists usually prescribe when, oh, Moose just fell off the couch. Usually retinol is one of the first things that dermatologists prescribe to try and treat acne, and that just like super did not work. Like super did not work. Made my skin so bad, the worst that it's ever been. And I also just want to start off by saying that like things that don't work for me and things that do work for me may or may not work for you. Everyone's skin is so different, and it's so frustrating because everyone's always like, oh, well, have you tried cutting out this? Have you tried this product? Have you tried doing this? And it's like, I can't try everything. It's so overwhelming, so frustrating because things that work for you might not work for me and vice versa. Here's my experience. I was doing benzoyl peroxide. Okay, man, okay, big tail. I was doing benzoyl peroxide and also this tretinoil or whatever, and this is what my skin looked like before I started the prescription medication, and this is what my skin looked like after 3 months of the prescription medication. So as you can see, my forehead went from like maybe like a every time. Done? Nope. So here's where we started, and here is where we finished off. I have never been more self-conscious and more down and frustrated about my skin because I was doing everything I was supposed to. I've also been on doxycycline, the antibiotic, for, I don't know, 2 months. So I had gone to the doctor to treat my acne, and here I was with the worst skin ever. When I went to the cottage, I was like, okay, I'm doing a makeup-free week and I'm going organic. I have a friend who is actually Doug the Pug's mom, like his human mom, Leslie, who had recommended me a whole bunch of products, and this is not a sponsored video, so she gave me a bunch of stuff to try that worked really, really well for her. And I was like, okay, sweet, going on vacation in the sun, no makeup, I'm gonna switch over and see what happens. I could not believe the drastic difference. This is a 3-week difference. Okay, so this is peak acne from the prescription medication, and this is like a basically current photo from a few days ago. Like the difference, especially in the forehead area, is insane. So anyways, the game plan now with my dermatologist is to try a new family of prescription acne medication. It's in the family of like a topical antibiotic. And if that doesn't work, I got blood work done today because you have to do a whole bunch of pre-testing to potentially start Accutane. So that's the plan. Let me guys know if you guys have tried Accutane before. I had a few friends who were on it in high school and it was like life-changing for them. I'm just so frustrated. I feel like my skin looks not that bad on camera as well, but it's just like I'm 25 and should not be having this crazy amount of acne, especially after my hormones have readjusted to the new birth control where my skin used to be fine. All in all, I am the frustrated. Anyways, JP and Lana are coming over tonight and we're gonna have a hangs. And also, I'm finally watching To All the Boys I've Ever Loved before. Finally watching it tonight and I'm so freaking excited. I think I just felt an earthquake. First I thought there was a robber in my house in the upstairs because there was like creaking going on. But then the chandelier lights were swinging a little bit and there was a rumble underneath my feet and I think I definitely just felt an earthquake. Twitter has confirmed there was an earthquake. Literally every single tweet is about earthquakes. My room is moving again, hashtag earthquake. Little earthquake to shake up a Tuesday. The earthquake was crazy. We love an earthquake. And I mean, even I tweeted about it. Like, why do we feel the need to tweet about earthquakes every time they happen? Anyway, earthquake. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so another day goes by where I haven't seen To All the Boys I've Loved before. I still don't even remember the title. JP and Lana and I just ended up chatting the entire night and we didn't watch it. And obviously it was such a good night, but I just gotta sit down and do it. Maybe tomorrow night I'm gonna have like a me night tomorrow and I think maybe get a facial tomorrow and possibly a massage and then watch the movie and it's just gonna be a great night. Stay tuned if I actually get around to it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what my skin routine was for the last 3 months and what it is now. This is not me hating on the brands, it's just what's working for me and what hasn't worked for me. And to be honest, it's probably more about the active ingredient and not the brand itself. Okay, so here's the stuff that I was using and the active ingredient is the benzoyl peroxide, which is in this, and this. This is 10% benzoyl peroxide. And then this was the topical prescription that went on top. This is the one that I literally had to do deep breathing because it was so painful and burned so much. So that's the gel that I was using and that was the last step. Started with this, a toner, a lotion, sometimes this one depending on, this was like more of a spot treatment since it's stronger, and then this one. Here is my current routine, which is the more organic route. This might not work for everyone. This has just been what has been super great for my skin. So I start with the True Botanicals cleanser and then do the toner. And this one I don't love the smell of. I actually like try and not breathe through my nose while this is going on, but it's been really effective. And then I use this 8 Greens Youth Serum that I got from the place that I get facials at. They recommended that to me. And then I use the True Botanicals Cellular Repair Serum, which is like sounds fancy. And then as a spot treatment, I'm using the Eradicate Kate Somerville, which is 10% sulfur. And this has been the best spot treatment I've ever used. This is definitely not organic, but it's been really effective for me. And then this one I just got recommended to me for scar treatment for my acne scars. And so far it's been good, but it's only been a week or so a little too early to tell. And then I exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week with the Sand and Sky Pink Australian Clay Exfoliator. And I'm sure you guys have seen this all over Instagram. And TBH, that's how I found it too and got sucked into buying that and the freaking face mask just because the packaging is so freaking cute. So again, this has only been a week or so in my little roundup here, but so far so good. I have also talked to a few more people who have actually been on Accutane to just kind of gauge their opinion and if they would recommend it and what they thought about it, and everyone has been so positive about it. I'm kind of leaning towards trying that, so guys, let me know if you've had good or bad experiences with Accutane. That's kind of the direction that I am heading. I just want my 18-year-old skin back. Is that too much to ask? I feel like I should have gotten this all out of the way when I was in high school going through puberty, and not now. Why now? Why? So anyways, I'm going to wrap the vlog up here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a new episode of DIY Master! It's coming back. I'm so excited. I've seen so many comments asking for more episodes of DIY Master, so it's finally happening. So that's happening this Sunday, so I will see you for that again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the